Three colors when we look up to the sky. Three colors make us hold our heads up high. The saffron of the raisin rising from the morning sun. In the afternoon, the white sailing clouds that run. In the evening, the green of waving palms in the breeze. Our heart filled with pride at this three colors three. We must respect the Constitution of India. We must attend flag commentary at school. And this Republic Day is very special. The farmers will be parade in Delhi with tractors. Let us bring happiness to each face. Educate the entire human race. Let us cut the snare of unemployment. Fill every heart with encouragement. Ours is a land of sages, known for bravery for ages. None can with it complete, its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or region, it's a land of high mountains. It's green, forests are pretty, and our source of prosperity. Ours is a land of sages, known for the bravery for ages. None can with it compete, its culture none can beat. Whatever caste or religion, all live here in unison. With rivers, sweet fountains, it's a land of high mountains. It's green for its are pretty and our source of prosperity.
हर तरफ देखो लग रहा है जय हिंद का नारा, लिए तिरंगे हाथ में देश झूम रहा है आज सारा। आओ कि आया राष्ट्रीय पर्व गणतंत्र हमारा, नमन माँ भरती तुझे दिया राष्ट्रीय पर्व प्यारा है।
प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा सरा रहेगा, हिंद देश का प्यारा झंडा ऊंचा सरा रहेगा। देशियों बन बनने वाला साला है सच्चाई, देशियों बन बनने वाला साला है सच्चाई।
Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was the chairman of the Constituent Assembly and the father of the Constitution. The Indian National Constitution is the longest constitution ever written by any country. It is influenced by other constitutions like French Constitution and the Constitution of Japan.
Republic Day is celebrated on 26th of January every year and is a national festival of our country, India. Indian Constitution came into force on this day in the year 1950. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. On Republic Day, that is on 26th January, India's Constitution came into force. It is celebrated in the whole India with a great pride and energy. The President of India hoists the flag at Rajpath every year.
Let's honor our military, the men and women who serve, whose dedication to our country does not falter, halt, or swear. Let's respect them for their courage. They are ready to do what's right, to keep India safe so we can sleep better at night. Let's support and defend our soldiers whose hardship are brutal and cruel, whose discipline we can't imagine, who follow each other and rule.
On this day, our constitution came into force. Indian Constitution is the largest written constitution in the world. In New Delhi, a huge parade is conducted by Army, Navy and Air Force on this day. Schools and colleges celebrate this day with great joy.
Proud
Indians. Bharat Mata ki Jai.